Deposit and down payment. What is the difference between a deposit and a down payment? When you should be giving your down payment, and how much of a deposit should you be giving? Those are the topics I'll be talking today. Hi, my name is Susan and welcome to my channel where I empower you, the buyer, with knowledge to ensure that your process is stress-free and you have clarity on what you're doing. Today I'll be talking about deposit and down payment and what's the difference between the two. It's funny enough that a lot of people don't know the difference between two. So why don't I give you a little bit of analogy so it could be a little bit more clear. So let's say you're about to buy a car, right? And so you walk into a car dealership and most likely you pick something that you like and then you want to buy it. So the salesperson will ask you to give a deposit, right? And so that could be $500 or $1,000. Now you would go to the bank and the bank will ask you, how much do you want to put into the car? And of course you would say something along like $5,000 or $10,000, right? And that would be called your down payment. The same thing works in real estate. When you see a house and you really like it and you want to put an offer in, most likely you need to bring a deposit. And that is typically 5% of the home. And that is given along with the offer. Now your down payment is given closer to the closing date. And their down payment is determined by your lender on how much you'll be required to give as a down payment. That can range anywhere from 5, 10, 15, or even 20% or more. And that will be something that you'll be dealing with your lender to know how much of a down payment you'll be giving. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of clarity in the difference between a down payment and a deposit. Hopefully this video helps you again with your home buying process. I'm more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Leave them below, questions and comments. Remember to subscribe because I'll be doing more videos just like this to give you information so that your home buying process is easier. Until then, we'll see you again.